Hello, my friends. We like to do something a little different in December. And we started doing this a couple of years ago, and it's so much fun. We just keep continuing it every December. For the month of December, we have two specials. So not only do we have the flash sales that we do every time, and we get the club discounts every time, two main specials. Number one, every paper pad that you buy, so let's see, let's grab some paper pads. Every paper pad that you buy on our website, whatever's on the website, whatever paper pad you buy, you're going to get one free. Now, we pick the freebie, so it's going to be a random something, but we have people buy 10 paper pads because that means they're going to get 20 paper pads. Now, technically, there's no limit. So if you buy 100 paper pads, you're going to get 200 shipped to you. So the extras are going to be our choice. We will try to make them all different, but I'll be honest with you. If you order 10 or you order 100 and you're going to get free ones, there will be duplicates. I only have so many paper pads in this life, okay? But how awesome is that? You buy one, you get one. BOGO. Buy one, get one free. Awesome, right? We all love free, right? So it's a surprise of what you're going to get for free. I love this. It's so much fun. That's one of our specials. The other special you can use with that special. So you're just building on all these. Of course, you still get your club discount on all the paper pads. So it's like I'm seriously just shipping these to you. If you get over $100 in the US, I'm shipping them to you for free. Like, how does this even happen? I don't know. The second special we have for December 2026, I just said 26. The next special we have for December 2025, 26 isn't here yet, Stephanie, 25 is, speaking of 25, every $25 that you spend on our website after discounts, and it does not include shipping or tax, but after discounts, shipping and tax, you will get a free embellishment. So if you spend $100 to get the free shipping, you're also going to get 4 free embellishments. What embellishments? I don't know. I don't ship them. I don't ship this stuff from my garage. No, our warehouse in Utah will ship you embellishments. I've asked them to make sure that they mix and match different things. Hopefully you won't get any duplicates, but I don't know. But I do have a long list that they get to pick from. So now, if you order, so here's the deal. This is what you need to do. I shouldn't tell you this, but I'm going to. You need to order so many paper pads that you get free shipping in the US, right? Okay. Make sure it's after your club discount. Okay, so you're going to get the club discount on the paper pads. You're going to spend over $100, so you're going to get the free shipping. Then you're going to get double the paper pads because, it's buy one, get one free. And you're going to get 4 free embellishments. Like, you can't make this stuff up. I'm going to go order on my own website to get all these goodies. So go to our website, stock up now on your paper pads. You know there's been so many times where you're like, I just wish I had one more sheet of this one pattern. Now's your chance to stock up. Just the month of December 2025, every $25 you spend, I guess next year we should do every $26 you spend. No, too much math. Every $25 you spend, you get a free embellishment, and every paper pad you buy, you get a free one. And of course, you still get your club discounts. Hello, and any flash sales that we have. Of course, go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Let's clean out that warehouse. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.